Hello, second grade. This is Module 5, Lesson 22. We're going to use some mental math to solve these problems here. So 99 plus 38. The way we can use some mental math is we can think in our head 99 is only 1 away from 100. So if I take 1 from the 38 and make it 37 and give it to that 99 to make it 100, that means our answer would be 137. Try this on this one. Think in your head. How many more do we need to give to the 98 to make it 100? Write down your answer. So in my head, I thought, well, 98 is only 2 away from 100. So if I take 2 from the 56 and make it a 54 and make that 98 100, means my answer would be 154. Try it on this one. 47 plus 98. In my head, I thought, well, 98 is 2 away from 100. So take 2 from the 47 and make it a 45 and give it to that 98 to make it 100. Our answer is 145. Let's do this one. Did you think in your head 99 is only 1 away from 100? So if we take 1 away from the 54 to make it a 53 and make that 99 100, our answer would be 153. All right, Tracy solved this problem to 299 plus 399 4 different ways. She used the arrow way. She used the way that we just did, where she made the next hundreds. She used discs, and she used dots in the hundreds chart to carry over. Which is the most efficient way to solve the 299 plus 399 that she used? What strategy was the most efficient way? Now remember, efficient means the easiest and the quickest to get the correct answer. I would say that making the next hundreds here was probably the most efficient way, because all she had to do was take 1 from one of these numbers and give it to the other one to make the next hundreds. Let's practice using the most efficient way for each of these problems to solve. So 221 plus 498. What would be the most efficient way to solve this? Well, 498 is really close to 500. It's only 2 away. So if we use the strategy where we go to the next hundreds, that would be the most efficient way. So let's take 2 out of the 221 and make it a 219 and make that 498 500. So our new equation would be 219 plus 500. If we just add 500s to the 2 there, we have 719. So our answer is 719. Let's look at this next one. We have 467 plus 200. What would be the most efficient way to solve this problem? I think that the most efficient way to solve this problem would probably be the arrow way. All we have to do is add 2 more hundreds. So if we take the 467 and add hundreds, what is our answer? Did you say 567? Great job. Now we need to add 1 more hundreds here, and our answer is 667. So 467 plus 200 is 667. Now, what would be the most efficient way to solve this problem? 378 plus 464. Well, we don't have anything close enough to make the next hundreds. And doing the arrow way would probably take too long. So let's try and do the hundreds chart here. So I'm going to draw our hundreds chart. There's our hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're just going to carry over here. So the top we have how many ones? And 378? We have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens do we have? We have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many hundreds do we have? We have 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now 464. How many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens? We have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many hundreds? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's do some regrouping here. So counting on from 8 at the top, 8, 9, 10, these guys are going to go over here. And we have 2 left over. The top here, we can start from 7 and count on. 7, 8, 9, 10. These are going to go be regrouped over here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget this one left over. Now, how many hundreds do we have? We have 3 up here, so let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget this guy, 8. So our answer is 843. It is now your turn to do your exit ticket. Log into Seesaw. Good luck.